And we're back. We're here in Pomona, Kempton Park, Johannesburg. We're at Vanos Tech. I'm actually here with Silvano, one of the owners of the establishment. These guys are one of our partners on the build. They're going to be doing some of the mechanics on the car, helping us with a few other things, some body work. So before I jump into it and we go through the car, Silvano's next to me. Funny story actually. Silvano actually introduced me to the car. He saw it, he took me to go see it, and it kind of progressed from there. So he's been along this journey since the beginning. And yeah, let me hand it over to him. He'll tell us a bit about the shop. We're going to get the car in the lift and we'll go from there.
Hey guys, welcome to Vanos Tech. My name is Silvano, I'm one of the owners. Like Jared said, we're based in Kempton Park, Johannesburg, South Africa. We've got a host of different companies, all majority based within the motor industry. HQ is over here, which is where we'll be tackling this project together with Detail Ease. And
definitely.
Yeah, we'll run through some stuff with you guys.
Awesome. So Silvano, let's let the viewers know what actually do you guys do? I mean, walking in, the place looks phenomenal. All the lights. I feel like I'm in a detailing center, and then it's mixed with like a bit of an earthy vibe, a very creative vibe. Let me say that. So tell us a little bit about what goes on here.
So yeah, Jared, I think you hit it on the head there. We've built Vanos basically as one big man cave, if that's how you want to look at it.
Yeah.
We've been in the industry for a very long time. One of our main visions here was almost a one-stop shop. So we can do pretty much all your servicing, all your maintenance, your major engine rebuild, suspension, brakes, tuning, manufacturing, air cons.
Sure.
We try to do it all.
Awesome.
So yeah, we'll take you obviously through and show you around.
Brilliant.
So this is one project we're busy with at the moment. It's a 90s series Range Rover. We're actually busy with a whole M57 swap out of a BMW 3-litre diesel. Done engine, gearbox, everything's going to be working, all factory electronics. So yeah, quite an interesting project this side.
Awesome.
Should be done with it quite soon. This is also another one of our projects. This is actually an in-house car owned by my dad and business partner Edgar.
Yes, I don't know if we actually mentioned. So guys, Silvano's partner is actually his dad. So he's been running this for, I would say, more than 30 years now. And the two of them work together as a team, and they've built everything you see here. Edgar, how's it going?
What's up, Jared?
Good. So Edgar, tell us what you're busy with here.
All right, so this is a personal project of mine. It's a little VW up. So we started off basically with the standard up motor, which we put a turbo. Everybody says put a turbo, it'll be fun.
Yeah, that's what they say.
Quick 10 grand job, easy. And once we got it running, we realized we wanted a bit more.
Okay.
So we've gone full house with it. We've adapted everything with Golf 7R front, big discs, big brakes. We're hoping to produce some serious power out of it. We've gone with a TSI motor, 6-speed box. Sure. And yeah, everything's been customed. I don't think there's a single piece on here that's actually standard. And
no, it's crazy. And as you guys can tell, there's a lot of customization, a lot of fabrication. If you look at from the shock mounts to the brakes to everything, that's what Vanos Tech does. They customize, they do everything here in-house. According to whispers out there, you guys are going for some sort of record with this car?
Yeah. So we've been playing around with it up for a while. They're very popular in Germany, especially Brazil. The guys in Brazil are quick. There's a guy by the name of Chernobyl out there. He claims to be the fastest up in the world. So we want to see if we're going to give him a run for his money, and that's the idea. He's getting 100 to 207.2 seconds.
Sure.
So we're hoping to break that.
Definitely.
And yeah, we got a couple of surprises which I can't tell you right now, but when it's done, I think we're going to have something a little bit extra here.
Yeah, well, we must definitely make a plan, come back towards the end of this build, somehow get involved and show you guys how it came out.
Absolutely.
No, it's phenomenal. Yeah. Awesome. So, Silvano, what's next?
I think we're going to pull the Porsche now, Jess. Let's put it up on the lift. We can give a quick run through on it. Right, guys, we've moved the car down to our other workshop here. Obviously, we've got the big lifts here. So we'll be running through what we're going to be carrying out on the Porsche. Let's start from the outside in. We've got Keanu from Detail Easier to assist us with pulling off the wide body kit. We're going to be closing up the front fog lights here, obviously nice and flush. This is just a little bit of a
Yeah, what are your thoughts on that? I mean, we did briefly touch on it in one of the other episodes, but I mean, aesthetically, this kit I think would look so much better without that.
I tend to agree. That's going to obviously give it a lot more of a clean, flush look.
Yeah.
So we'll do it nicely there. We'll do the delete on the reflectors on the back bumper. We also have run diagnostics already on the car. The car is in limp mode. We found a broken wire on the MAF, so that's going to be our starting point. See where we go from there.
Cool, and for those of you that aren't familiar, limp mode means the car's got reduced power. There's an engine light on, so something is not happy. Like Silvano said, he's run diagnostics and everything's pointing through to that. So we're going to fix that plug up, clear all the faults, and then see if that takes that away.
We also have got a little bit of our toys that have arrived.
Oh, really? Surprises already.
We brought in a set of the lowering links for the air suspension.
Okay, very cool. So what exactly does this do?
This will work with a factory air suspension.
Okay.
Basically telling the computer to let the car ride at a different ride height where we set it.
All right.
It's fully adjustable.
Yes,
So
I
we'll
see
fit
that.
it and adjust it once the rims that you've ordered arrive. And we'll get the ride height looking good.
Brilliant, I love that. That's awesome. And then what's on the agenda today? So we know while we're busy, Keanu will take the bumpers off. What do you want to go through?
Today I think it's going to be basically a thorough walkthrough of the car, see what we can identify as issues. Obviously
Okay.
we plan on getting all of that sorted. We do know the car's got a little bit of an oil leak, besides
Yes.
for the limp mode.
Yeah.
There will be a full service carried out on the car. There's
All
a little
right.
bit of suspension knocks here and there. So
Yeah, when we
it's
drove that, we heard that. So you're going to do all
going
those
to be
checks.
a full once over on the car.
Cool.
Outside, inside, underneath, we're going to go through it all.
So Keanu's taken off the front and rear bumper. We've taken out the front fender liners. Obviously the wheels are off as well. Yeah, so tell us what you think, Savannah. What
So,
have you found?
Bumpers are off. Obviously we can get started on this, on filling here, filling the reflectors on the back side.
Perfect.
With the bumper off, we've been looking at the front end here.
Yeah.
And it seems like we're going to be able to do a nice front mount intake kit here.
Okay.
One of
okay,
one for you
yeah.
guys.
We were chatting about that. So basically what that entails is you're going to look at maybe removing the standard airboxes, running pipe from the filters that will be in the grills
Down
pretty
to
much.
the turbochargers.
Down to the turbochargers. Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
And what do you think that will do?
Well, number one, you got cold air coming in straight to your turbos. It's going to
Perfect.
sound incredible.
Okay, awesome.
And yeah, as far as I know, I haven't seen one, especially locally. So it'll be a
That's pretty
one of
cool.
one.
This is going to be a one of one, so
We also have fixed up the wiring to the MAF sensor, so let's
Okay.
see what that does.
we'll see what happens there just
Yeah,
now.
I think we're just going to give it a good run over underneath there.
Okay,
We
cool.
have picked up, it's got a oil leak. What seems to be coming from the oil cooler.
Okay, if you want to jump in here, you can see there's an oil cooler, and just in the front of that there's obviously Savannah will clean that up, run the car a little bit or whatever, and see exactly where that's coming
We'll
from.
probably end up getting new seals for there,
Okay, perfect.
checking that out.
But otherwise, it's not looking too bad.
No, it's not. You know,
Everything's straight, nothing's been welded together.
Yeah, that's good news. We're going to run obviously through the suspension as well. Just check all your bushings and mountings and so on.
Okay.
We also want to, while everybody is here, we're just going to drain out some fluid from the diffs, the
Okay.
transfer case.
Just to
what
check
that all
those
looks
out.
like. But yeah,
Perfect.
especially more backside
We know the
here,
exhaust, we're not worried about that's
no
getting
exhaust.
done.
Everything else does look clean.
The main thing is to get the car driving like a
100%. Porsche.
Yeah, there we go.
On the back end here,
Okay.
that's your rear lowering link.
Yes.
I think
Let
the
me
light's
see.
actually
Oh.
gone flat.
Oh yeah. Okay, I can
That's
see
your
it
rear
there,
one.
though.
And then here
Let's see it in the
front,
front.
you can actually see it a little bit better to the side. That's it up there. Between that green arm
Okay.
coming out the sensor.
Yeah, awesome.
That's where we're going to fit in.
So it's this linkage here.
correct. That's where
Okay,
we'll be
brilliant.
tuning from.
That goes to an electronic box or something.
That's basically your ride height sensor.
Okay.
It tells the computer how high the car is driving. That's
Yeah.
why you've also got the modes inside where you can change it. So basically this thing just, those little arms trick the computer into thinking the car is higher than it actually is.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, very cool. We back at Vanos Tech. We've actually come to collect the vehicle. We're going to be taking it through to the panel beater for the next step. The guys have done a phenomenal job here at Vanos Tech. They've serviced the car. They've sorted out some issues. The car was in limp mode. They've had that fixed. So Vano's going to take us through everything that they've done. We're busy blocking the intakes here so you don't see, but he'll explain what they've done there. Awesome.
How's it, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Jared,
Yeah.
it's all done for you guys.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. You guys did that quickly as well.
We've run through the entire car, basically front to back.
Yeah.
All the diffs are serviced, transfer case is serviced. We've run through all the mountings, props, short props, everything.
Awesome.
Engine side's been fully serviced, limp mode sorted,
Great. Awesome.
car's boosting nicely, she's making power.
So we did the spark plugs, we did all the oils, all the
all liquid moly
filters.
oils. So yeah, she's all done. We sorted out that small oil leak on with the seals on the oil
Yeah,
cooler.
remember the oil cooler was leaking?
That's all done. And then obviously your front mount intakes.
100%, you guys can see that. So those come all the way from the turbos, well, from the front going all the way through to the turbos.
Basically runs around the back here, comes in.
Yeah,
We
we are very excited to see what this is going to sound like. Silvano or myself haven't driven the car yet, so we're excited for that. The build's coming on really, really well. I mean, the guys have done a great job here. Like I said, the next step is now the panel beater, and then we just carry on from there. Our goal is to have the car at a show coming up soon. So that's what we're pushing for.
100%.
Vanos Tech, thank you. Salvano, thank you, guys. You've looked
Pleasure.
after us.
Guys,
You've
thank
done
you
an
for the
amazing
opportunity.
job. Guys, remember
looking
they
forward
are
to
in
it.
Kempton Park, Pomona. The links and everything will be on the YouTube, so you can check. If you guys need something built, a one-of-one, or if you just need your car maintained and serviced, give them a shout. Cool. See us on the next episode. Thanks, guys.